It's only one issue, which is the impeachment of the governor of Kiambu. And the standing orders are very clear. When you convene with one agenda, you can only discuss that one agenda. The issue of Nairobi is still under consultation. The senator of Nairobi truly consulted with a number of us, including myself, on the possibility of convening a special session to discuss that issue. And when the appropriate time and when the threshold is met for that kind of a special sitting, then we will not have a problem convening it. But at the moment, there is no particular issue that the Senate needs to deal with that, we don't want to come. This is the position of the Senate. We don't just want to come and discuss the situation in Nairobi. It must be sitting and discussing a decision that is specific in nature and that will lead to specific results. The issue of the impeachment of the governor of Nairobi is a matter of conjecture at this point in time. It's not a subject of debate. The law does not allow us to anticipate debate or to anticipate impeachment of any county government or a governor of any county government. We will deal with the matter when we cross there. And the law also is very clear that where one feels that they are going through a conflict of interest situation, you must declare your interest in every matter, not just representation. It includes where you have a monetary issue, maybe you're doing business with a particular area, or you can also disclose situations where you have blood relations or personal friendships with any other person.